Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Comcast Xfinity account in order to change your Wi-Fi password. To get started, open any web browser and head to my.xfinity.com. Once there, if you're not already, choose Sign In on the top right and sign into your Xfinity account. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, you'll get a text message with a security code. Enter that here and check Don't Ask Me Again in this browser if you want it to save your login. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the My Account tab at the top menu. On the Overview page and in the Services section, choose Internet. In the Wi-Fi Network Details section, choose Edit with xFi on the right. Next, choose Edit Wi-Fi on the top right of this page. In the pop-up window, you can then edit your Wi-Fi password. Once you're finished, select Apply Changes. Your Wi-Fi password will then be updated, and any device that was connected to it previously will need to have the saved password updated in order to connect back to the network. And that's how you change your Comcast Xfinity Wi-Fi password. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.